Hello, you're welcome to Hidden Remedies. In this video, we're talking about incredible health benefits of baking soda water you never knew about. I've already made the first part of it. You can check it out, but this is the second part, starting at the fourth benefit. Let's get started. Benefit 4 is improved oral health. One of the main reasons people suffer from tooth decay, cavities, bad breath, or gum disease is simply because there's too much bad bacteria living in their mouths, which makes the mouth more acidic. Baking soda can help fix this by killing off the harmful bacteria and freshening up your breath. All you have to do is mix a small amount of baking soda with your regular toothpaste and gently brush your teeth. This can help whiten your teeth, kill bad bacteria, and neutralize the pH in your mouth. Just be careful not to overdo it. Only use baking soda like this a maximum of twice a week, because making the mouth too alkaline can actually wear down your tooth enamel. Benefit 5 is clearing urinary tract infections. Drinking baking soda water can also help clear up UTIs in the bladder or the urinary tubes. It works by slightly raising the pH of your urine, which makes it harder for bad bacteria to survive and grow. This can help reduce the symptoms of a UTI within just a week, especially if you're staying properly hydrated. I also recommend adding concentrated cranberry pills if you're dealing with a UTI, as they can work really well alongside the baking soda. Benefit 6 is reducing muscle soreness. After you exercise, your muscles produce lactic acid, which can leave you feeling stiff, sore, and fatigued. Baking soda helps by neutralizing that excess acid, allowing your muscles to recover much faster. In fact, a lot of athletes use baking soda to boost their endurance, helping them exercise longer without feeling as tired. If you want to try this, I recommend mixing a quarter teaspoon of baking soda with a quarter teaspoon of Celtic salt into about 16 ounces of water. Drink it about 90 minutes before doing any high-intensity exercise for the best results. Now, let's move on to the last three. If you're finding the information helpful, please like and subscribe now for more tips. Which leads me to number 7, increasing energy. You might notice after using baking soda for just a few days that your energy levels start to climb. Like I mentioned earlier, when baking soda digests, it releases CO2, which helps your red blood cells let go of more oxygen into your tissues. More oxygen means better energy production, making you feel more awake, alert, and ready to go throughout the day. Just a heads up though, if you're eating cereals, carbs, or sugary foods for breakfast, that'll do the opposite and crash your blood sugars, leaving you tired. Moving on to number 8, managing the symptoms of cancer. Some recent studies suggest that baking soda might actually help slow down tumor growth by making the environment in your body less acidic. Cancer cells love low oxygen, acidic places, but baking soda can help raise the pH, making it harder for tumors to thrive. One study published in the journal Cancer Research found that sodium bicarbonate increased pH levels in tumors and slowed their ability to spread in mice. By improving oxygen delivery to the cells, the baking soda made the cancer cells less aggressive. Of course, this isn't a cure, but some experts believe it could be useful alongside existing treatments to help regulate acidity. Always talk to your doctor first before trying anything new. Number 9 is soothing irritated skin. Another handy way you can use baking soda is by mixing it with a little water to make a paste. You can apply this straight onto bug bites, sunburn, rashes, or even skin allergies for some quick relief. Baking soda helps to balance the skin's pH, which calms down redness, itching, and swelling. If you're dealing with sunburn, you can also add a few tablespoons of baking soda to a cool bath to help soothe the skin and speed up the healing process. It's such a simple remedy, but it's been used for centuries to help sore, irritated skin bounce back.